Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Global City Farmer. Today's video is about revamping your terracotta pots. We all have now moved to plastic pots for the ease and convenience and lightweight. But still, we all get attracted to the charm of terracotta pots. They look beautiful, they are earthy, they definitely add beauty to our garden. And also, to be very frank, plants prefer terracotta pots or ceramic pots as against the plastic pots. But what happens is, as the time passes, the terracotta pots start looking old. So we keep watering the plants. Also the weather effect, heat, then water coming outside. Also the terracotta pots are porous. So when we water the plant inside, there is the moisture goes out also. So because of which you can see many times the pots start looking like this whitish color, and a beautiful original red color gets lost and they start looking this way dull. But it's very easy to get them back to their original red color, and that too using a very easy and organic method, and it takes literally only 5 minutes to do that. So from this way looking pot, you can have your original beautiful red color of terracotta back. So what we need basically is this. This is called geru in Hindi or in Marathi language. You can buy this from any nursery. It is like a stone. It looks like a brick, but it's a very soft stone. So as soon as you put water, it becomes like a paste. And also during Diwali time, you will get this geru to all the people who sell rangoli. So I'll just demonstrate you how to revamp your terracotta pot and make them look pretty. So let's begin. These are two terracotta pots I'm going to paint now. This is my composting pot, and this is pot in which my money plant is growing. Both are worn out due to weather, water, etc. This is the geru which I showed before. Now we'll put little water in it to make it little paste, so it's easy to use. And we'll be using a small cotton cloth piece, very soft one, as a paintbrush. We'll dip in that geru paste. Now with this soft cotton cloth, we'll apply this geru paste uniformly on all the sides of the pot and on the edges also, and do it in same direction strokes. Now after completing painting of the sides, now I am doing the edges. Since geru is organic, even if it falls inside the potting mix or the soil of plants, it will not harm or it will not have any effect. After this pot, now we'll do it for composting pot. I have not scraped the pot before applying geru. There is no need. So your time is saved. You can directly apply geru paint on this. After we finish applying geru, we can keep them for drying for around 1 hour, and then they are ready to be used for our potting or for composting. Our painted pot is ready. See the difference between the old terracotta pot and this terracotta pot which we painted it with geru now. See the difference between two. So do follow these steps and give makeover to your beautiful terracotta pots. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.